Okay, so now I want to share about this architectural BIM modeling course. Okay, so to be a Revit architectural BIM modeling, learning the basic things you need to learn are the topics here I mentioned. I will introduce you the BIM and what is the Revit. Just now I already mentioned about that. So general user interface and how you work with this 3D view. Later I will demonstrate. And then also like basic sketching, like partial modeling and like modify tools in AutoCAD also have a modify tools, right? You can edit, extract, extend, or trim. All these things can be done in Revit, but in different way. So you have to learn how to create a wall. But in AutoCAD, your wall is two line, door also two line, right? So, but in Revit, it's very obvious that it's much easier and a lot of things that you can learn more. Let me, I don't know how to type this. Okay, so you can learn how to put the cutting wall components and modeling floors and ceiling, all these things. So the whole construction documentation also you can learn from this course. Of course, there will be additional tools and exercises. Okay, I can share you this. Most of the training centers, last time as a learner, I learned the Revit. So most of the training center don't teach much on the practical. Okay, so they ask you because they are not working in the industry as a professional BIM modeler. They are just a trainer. I would like to explain about difference between just Revit trainer and the professional trainer. Professional trainer is mainly for like we have been working as a BIM modeler so many years, and even we are leading the teams, even as a managing the whole BIM process. So we know what is the key points required to know when you do as when you work as a BIM modeler. So most of the normal trainer, Revit trainer, they just like train you step by steps. Okay, open this file, do this, do that. But if you ask them some question, they don't know how to answer because they don't know how to do. They only know what they have to teach based on the book. Okay, but I can tell you, you can learn more to the practical project. I can prove that the previous batches or those who really hardworking. Okay, some of them just attend the course, but after going back, they don't practice or they don't continue. The one I can force them to, and they won't improve much. But those really, every day I teach, after I teach the lessons, they continue practicing. They really improve a lot. They even complete a lot of house model, drawings, this and that. Okay. And these are the topics that I basically teach. Okay, I'm not going to explore all these things, but how I teach is I nowadays teach as a blended learning. Okay, I will share you about something. Blended learning or blended teaching, okay, which is combination of some video courses, video lessons plus practical. So I don't want to waste your time. Like, okay, normally, right? Normally in the training center, trainer teach and then let you practice, but we don't have much time. In the one training time, you also can catch up after half an hour, your brain not functioning. Even I'm as a student, after half an hour, I start sleepy. Okay, it's honestly it's the truth. Okay, all the whole those like Cambridge, these psychologists, the philosophers, they just learn the human's brain's functions in right. After 15 minutes, you need to have a break. Your brain cannot continue to absorb. You still can physically in front of me, you still can listen, but your brain cannot memorize what I'm teaching. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. So to be more efficient, let's say after some demonstration, I will give you a few lessons to learn in your home during the weekdays after you work, or when you have a relaxed time, you just give 15 minutes or half an hour, you study, you practice. But the day when you meet me, you can ask me a lot of questions. And then we will do some tutorial or some workshop. So this is more effective, right? If not, like maybe our training hours is 2 hours or 3 hours. Within 3 hours, you cannot remember a lot of things I teach you. Last time when my time, right, I go for class, they only have 3 day course. Morning 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock, 3 days continuously. After finish the course, I totally zero. I can't remember. I have to re-digest everything. Okay. So that's not really efficient. I believe y'all would know this, right? Y'all have been studying very hard. But anyway, this is the human body, human brain. You really cannot run away from that, the truth. So I basically will go by blended learning, which is I give you, okay, this week you study 1 or 2 lessons in one week is 5 days you study. Then the next day, like every week in our class times, physically we meet and then I will give you a example. Then from that example, we do together. So if you do, you cannot make it, I can explain you how to do. Even I can firstly demonstrate, okay, guys, let's do this, let's do that, right? From there, I believe that is more efficient. Also, I would like to say that I has been as a uh, in my company, every company I join, I'm also conduct the in-house training. In-house training means I train to the company people, engineers, all the drafter, modeler. The time I joined Savannah Jurong, we got 80 people, 80 drafter. They totally don't know Revit, zero. They got senior, junior, and plus they got about 40 engineers. So I conduct different training. Engineer no need to do detail. They just need to open the model, cut sessions, view here, view there. So I have conduct a very effective course outline curriculum. I don't teach same as a BIM modeler need to do. For BIM modeler, I also don't teach like other boring sessions from other trainers. They always do, hey, draw the grid line, this every step. I don't do, hey, you can do this, you can do that. This is a company standard, how you do this, how you do this. Also, I will appreciate if you attend my class, you learn the video lesson first, and then you ask me many questions. That is more effective. I learn from asking questions. Okay, of course, I will tell you if as a basic, the beginner level, you cannot expect too high things. Some of the advanced thing I will tell you that it's too early to learn, but I will show you we can do. Okay, but you cannot be too greedy that cannot move to very, very difficult. But you can ask me. That is the way you can improve yourself. So I open for the questions to anyone, every class I conduct. I always do the same thing. Even in the company in-house training, I always conduct what require as a modeler need to do, what are the key things. Because the rest of the basic things, right? After I teach you a few lessons, you know how to explore your own. No need to rely on me because the way I teach is not like teaching to the kids, okay? This one do this one. No, I will teach you how to think. If you want to do something, nowadays all the software are really considering we call it a user friendly, okay? So even you, I believe you all are having some AutoCAD knowledge, right? If you want to draw line, if you know English, right, you can type line also can, but of course shortcut is L anyway. So, but at least if you want to do rectangle, you type rectangle, full name also can, full types, but they got shortcut anyway. That one you can learn later. But at least you can explore everything you want. So this is the way that nowadays all the software are improving themselves for user to be easily understand. So that one I can teach you along. After you learn, you study with me, after at least 3 sessions, you will understand, oh, even I can explore my own. Okay. This is the way how I teach. I'm not going to teach like uh the students must always rely to the teacher. After the class, you still don't know everything. That one, I will never do that. I don't like this kind of teaching also. Okay, so that is the way how I'm going to do that. So these are all the topics that I will give you in the video sessions. But after that, we will try. Okay, this is every time I teach to different batches. I always give different practice, different exercise. Okay, this is one of the batch I give this. So you can expect from me, even some of them, right, they come and attend to two classes from me because they learn two different things. I never teach the same example to everyone because I myself is boring to teach the same thing every day. Okay, so that is good things for everyone. Okay, I also try to teach different things. So sometimes when I do the practical, I also sometimes mistake because it's a new to me. So this is good and learning together. I improve myself every training class. Okay, so let me finish for action. So that is like uh I just want to present about the course Revit architectural BIM modeling. So you can learn all these topic which is really helpful to understand. But later this after this architectural BIM modeling course, if you are structure or if you are mechanical or electrical, you can learn to further things. But you can learn your own or you can request for the trainee, so I can discuss with the school and then I can class if you are specific discipline. Okay, but architecture is I will say that is a must for any other discipline to start as a key start to learn. Okay, so these are the topic you will learn. So after this, I will show you the demonstration how Revit model you can explore in this modeling. Okay. Okay, you can take a photo. Sorry.